Hi there, it's Josh at the Classic Competition Company. Sorry about the wind today, but we're out here with one of our latest prizes, which is a lovely Triumph TR5T trophy trials. I've done one of these before, seem to be very popular, so we found another nice example. All matching numbers, and looks like it's been fully restored at some point. All nicely polished, original exhaust, stainless steel rims and spokes. Yeah, just a really lovely example. What I'm going to do is start for you so you can see how she runs and the starting procedure. Fuel tap's already on. Give it a good tickle if it's cold. It's not cold at the minute because I have started it. Sorry about the mud, but I guess it is a slightly off-road bike, so it doesn't look too bad with a little bit of mud on there. Be nice and clean for the person who wins the bike. So what we do now, give it a kick. So today's date is October the 4th and this one ends at the end of this month, 2024. Tickets are £2.99 and you can buy them at the classiccompetitioncompany.com website. Thank you for entering and thank you for watching this video.